Like that. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. What you doing there? Wow. Amazing. Yes, we're gonna go swimming. I know. He's gonna like that. Yan pa naman mga gusto niya. May cabinet na, oh. Tapos may bookcase and may office na. Ito hindi kasha. Ang landi. Cute. Ganda yan, ma. That's nice. Gusto ni Mark yan. Oo, okay. Hala. Pag si Corgi nandito, talagang i-wrap niya to ng ano. Guys, so from the house, we went back to mommy's house to shower and fix a few more things na pwedeng ilipat na sa bahay na saka sa Corgi. And then we went straight here sa furniture store. We really need bed frames, beds, a sala set. Lalong-lalo na kailangan na namin ng bed frame kasi mahirap matulog sa baba. Kahit may mattress na, ang hirap matulog kasi unang-una si mommy and si Mark, they have knee and back problems. Ako naman, my situation, it's really hard to bangon sa floor. So I think a bed frame is gonna be helpful for everybody para lahat masaya na. But right now, we're looking at sofas because there's really good deals. Ikaw, anong kulay gusto mo? Ah, ganda rin yan. Diba ma, napansin mo rin yung tela niya, no? Ito, kasi tignan mo to. Oh.
Tapos yun din po pwede kong i-transfer dito para mas malapad.
Cream, no? Ang ganda, no? Oo.
Para kasi
Mano sa likod. Oo. Yan, no? Then you can lift it up for movie nights. Thank you. Ayun, no? Ito nagustuhan ko eh.
may story.
Hindi ka mag-store ng diaper, lampin. Hello. That's nice. Hindi daw dumihin ni Chi. Yun sana gusto ko, ma. Kaso sabi ni Mark, baka masikip yung sa dulo eh. Sofa is nice. Ganda, no? Ma, Ang ganda, tingnan mo nga yan, ma. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Pati yung kulay niya. What are you saying, I do? May ano pa?
Wala kami side table na kasama. Ito yung boss, diba may side? Sa amin, side po, tsaka yung automat po.
Upo ka, ma. Yun.
Pwede nyo gawing center table yun.
We're choosing between this one and yung gray.
Pag ayaw mo yung bisita mo, no? Rap.
Pang-pictorial ni Seth.
Gutom eh. Nagutom. Hi, Cookie! What you doing there? Huh? Kuha to go. Ay. Thank you. Hi, Cookie.
So, medyo na-late lang yung gift ko sa house blessing niya. So, eto.
Thank you, JV. Thank you. Wow. Ang saucy.
Inumin mo yan pag na lang.
Pag nanganak na ako. Correct. Maglalasingan na tayo.
Maglalasingan tayo. Mag-stay pa tayo dito.
Oh, yeah. Ay, Corky. Guys, andyan na yung pool. There.
Wow.
Corky, look! Look at the pool! Come here, look!
Isa lang color.
I think it's... Whoa! Whoa! Amazing. It's color blue! Blood. Yeah, we're gonna go swimming! Yeah, you wanna swim? You wait for Daddy. Yes, we're gonna go swimming. But only for a little while. Pero buti lang mainit. Hindi siya maano dyan. Ay! Excuse me! Wait for Daddy! Wait for Daddy! Nakita na niya kasi may water na. Shh! Don't touch anything. That's dirty, Corky. Corky! Don't throw things in the pool! Oh my gosh!
Baby oil.
Yeah.
Dalawa kayo yung papa mo yan.
Ang ganda ng tubig. Ala, nalagyan na siya.
Wow! Wow! Kapuliya! I love you!
Lamig, Ichi.
Ang katulog talaga yan eh.
Sarap, Ichi. Magabi na kasi.
Oh, okay. Kami kasi, no? Cool? Ikaw. Kasi na ako. Mama. Gusto mo na. Gusto mo tawag na. Gusto mo kapag sinunod. Yes.
Ang banyo, tapos na. Oh, wow, ang ganda. Yeah.
Matawag na kayo ng hindi siya.
Wow, okay.
Daddy will please stay here lang, ha? Okay, Daddy will please, Daddy.
Cold, Daddy. Sarap. Tomorrow, Quirky. Tomorrow, daytime. Lamig, ma, ng tubig.
Stay here, stay here. That's your own computer. It's cold, man. It's cold now. Tomorrow.
It's cold, Quirky. Tomorrow, promise. Tomorrow.
Come on. Tomorrow. Sabi mo, Daddy, ganyan. Tomorrow. Oh, grabe ka na naman. Tomorrow.
Ah, madulas ka. Wow! Hi guys! We just finished having dinner. Thank you, Ichi, for the treat of Mang Inasal. Few updates. Yes, the pool is ready. Kakalagay lang ng chlorine kanina. And we just did a little test drive. Pero talagang yung full use of the pool will be tomorrow at daytime. Kasi the water is so cold. Lamig ng ganitong oras. Ang lamig ng tubig. Hindi kinaya ni Corky. So feeling ko kailangan ng araw para balanced yung lamig ng tubig and yung mainit na panahon. The majority of our important things are here na at the house. As you can see here. Look. And Ichi are fixing some things. This Friday is the last day of Mang Boy and the crew. Aalis na sila sa Friday because they have new projects to do. They have new work. They have, alam mo na, you know, nalulungkot nga ako. I'm really sad. We're all sad. It's really rare to find a construction labor team na sobrang magiging close mo. At magiging close mo sila kasi napakabait, napaka-trustworthy, napakagaling magtrabaho. Bihira ka makakita ngayon ng mga ganong tao. Which means, since Friday na sila alis, we have to be here by Friday. As in, settled na dito. Di na kami aalis dito. We have to be living here na kasi wala nang tao sa bahay and all of our things are here na hindi pwedeng, syempre, walang tao sa bahay. It's a little hectic this week kasi not only that, but we're doing finishing touches, we're doing all of the walkthroughs of the house. Kung meron pa bang kailangan ayusin, meron bang kailangan palitan or ano habang nandito pa sila. That's all we've been doing all day, and then even for the rest of the week. Final walkthroughs throughout the whole house before they leave on Friday. I'm really sad. Alam mo, ang tagal ko kasi silang nakasama. Lamang Boy, sila Rap, sila Hill, sila Kuya Miles, lahat sila. And parang every time I go here in the house, I'm always used to seeing their faces. Yung babatiin nila ako, babatiin ko din sila. This week has been very emotional and stressful but fulfilling kasi a lot of changes are happening, a lot of adjustments are happening, and it's all happening during my 6th month of pregnancy. That's also been another challenge for me. The past few days have been painful for me. I've been having major back pains, and talagang nangyari to habang naglilipat-lipat na ng gamit. And on top of that, we have a toddler on the loose while we're moving in and clearing out things and adjusting to things. As you saw in the previous vlogs, dito na kami natutulog, pero those are only for those days. We still ended up going home pa to Mommy's house kasi dami pang kulang na gamit. Pero as of now, somewhere this week before Friday, it's official. We're staying here. We have to stay here. Wish us luck. Pray for us, guys. And it's really sad for me because alam mo, gustong-gusto kong kumilos sa bahay. Ang dami kong gustong gawin. Ang dami kong gustong ayusin at itulong, pero I really can't do much because I'm at a critical stage na in my pregnancy. Bawal talaga akong mag-heavy lifting and heavy workloads. Alam mo yun na yan. And tomorrow, we're gonna be back here again. We're gonna go home muna to Mommy's house and rest and fix up a few more things there. Pero we're gonna be back here tomorrow. We're gonna fully test the pool, daytime, and then move in some more things tomorrow. Yung ayaw. It's cold.
Oh yeah.
Ayan oh, sarap oh.
No more?